What is stress? Causes of stress, symptoms of stress, and stress management. Please watch this video till end to find the answers of all these questions. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and beneficent. Warm greetings to you all. Viewers, this is Shahbaz Qamar. Welcome you to my channel SQ Health and Science TV. On this channel, we share with you authentic health related information and scientific facts. Viewers, as promised, this is the third video connected to the depression series that you are viewing. It is related to stress. What is stress? Its causes, symptoms and management will be mentioned in detail. So let us start the video. What is stress? Stress is a regular part of life and everyone experiences it from time to time. In some cases, stress can help a person work better under difficult conditions to achieve goals. It can be essential for survival in certain circumstances to trigger the fight or flight response in case of danger. However, severe chronic stress that continues for a long time and is not managed can manifest itself in the form of physical problems. Stress is a body's natural way of responding to any danger or threat. When a person senses a threat, certain hormones come into action that either helps fight the situation or run away from it. The hormones released in stressful conditions include cortisol and adrenaline. These lead to increased heart rate, alertness, accelerated breathing, high blood pressure, and tightening of muscles. Frequent arousal of this stress mechanism has harmful physical and psychological effects. Causes of stress. Different people react to the same kind of stress in different ways. One person may find a given situation stressful, while for another person, a similar situation causes no stress. Stress to a large extent depends on a person's perceptions of a given situation. Various factors can trigger stress, and these are known as stressors. Some of the major stressors include: Number 1. Problems at the workplace. Number 2. Financial crisis. Number 3. Disharmony in the relationships or marriage. Number 4. Major life changes. Number 5. Negative thinking or pessimism. Number 6. Demanding perfectionism in everything. Number 7. Job loss, unemployment. Number 8. Moving to a new home. Number 9. An illness. Number 10. Death of a family member or someone loved. Stress after a traumatic incident like abuse, violence, natural disaster, or an accident. A condition known as PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder. Symptoms of stress. The symptoms of stress are seen on different levels. Some important symptoms include: Number 1. Symptoms of stress on a physical level include fatigue, headache, stomach problems, sleeping troubles, muscle aches, changes in sex drive, chest pain. Number 2. Symptoms of stress on the emotional level include anger, irritability, mood changes, anxiety, depression, feeling of isolation. Number 3. Symptoms of stress on the behavioral aspect include withdrawal from others, using drugs, abuse of alcohol or tobacco, eating excessively, loss of appetite, change sleeping patterns where a person sleeps too much or too little. Number 4. Symptoms of stress on the cognitive level include difficulty in concentration, weak memory, difficulty in making judgments. Stress management. Apart from medicines, the following tips can help manage stress. Number 1. Adopting relaxing techniques like yoga, meditation. Number 2. Taking a healthy diet including fresh fruits, vegetables and omega-3 fatty acids. Number 3. Doing regular exercise. Number 4. Getting enough sleep. Number 5. Avoiding taking alcohol, drugs and tobacco. Number 6. Cutting down the amount of sugar and caffeine intake. Number 7. Deep breathing exercises. Number 8. Maintaining a positive attitude towards life. Number 9. Taking time to cultivate some relaxing hobbies. Thank you for watching video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you, please like it and subscribe this channel. And please do not forget to press bell icon. We will inshallah meet with you in next video. It will about gastritis. What is it, causes, symptoms and its homeo treatment. Allah Hafiz. Islam Zindabad, Pakistan Zindabad, Pak Army Zindabad.